Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning I wish to my lecturer and my supervisor under Product Design and Development. My name is NORSABRINA binti AZLAN, and I will be the first presenter for this presentation. So we are from Group 3 and we will presenting our product, which is an earphone case. So under Group 3, there are 4 members of in the group, and I will be presenting and introducing to you one by one and their roles. So as you can see in the organization chart, I am the project manager of this project. My project designer is MUHAMAD ALIF HAKIMI. My project designer is Nurain FIRZANA, and my project researcher is SIVANESWARAN.
Hello, my name is Anna. Today I will be present about the Gantt chart. So, the Gantt chart is a project management tool assisting in the planning and scheduling of projects of all sizes. It is useful to keep tasks on track when there is a large team and multiple stakeholders when the scopes change. So, from the Gantt charts, it began from the group selection.
Our product summary is, out of 4 themes of this project, we have decided to choose packaging as our main theme design. Our aim is to create a new case design for the protection of wired earphone users. This case dimension will be 8 centimeters and the weight of the casing will be approximately 30 grams. This casing will be made out of durable material to give great protection for wired earphone users. Into the bargain, it will be built with a built-in silicone to smooth the way for consumers to wrap their earphones. The casing is made according to our customers' requirements, including shape and dimension. Over and above, this product will give the long-term satisfaction for consumers to protect their earphones. Our team has 3 main objectives. So the first one will be to guarantee of high quality material and perfect design that has been made by advanced technology. Our second objective is to gain high rating and good feedback from the customer based on quality and service. And last but not least, the third, to achieve the top sale in market and top rating in global marketing. So, as in this slide, I will be sharing to you our team's 3 main design problems which we were facing in creating our product. So, the first problem is inconvenience casing. The second problem is messy placement of earphone wire inside the casing. And our third problem is complexity to store casing inside our bags. Where there is a problem, there is always a solution. So in my previous slide that I mentioned earlier about 3 main problems, of course in this slide there will be 3 main solutions. So the first solution would be a stylish design that comes with a unique design. So which is to change the zip of the bag to be a magnetic buckle case. The second solution will be to have a built-in soft silicone inside, which is to provide the case that has a few segments to make it easier for consumers to arrange their earphone wire and earbuds. And last but not least, to make the casing user-friendly so that it could provide a minimal size of casing which it could fit in a consumer's palm or hand. So in the bottom left of my slide, as you can see, is our rough image on the design that we are creating. So as you can see from the original casing is empty, and in the innovation casing, which we will be planning to place an built-in silicone, which will make it easier for consumers to protect and wrap their earphones. So I won't say much about this design because in the upcoming slide, my fellow team member Ali will be explaining more detailed about our product.
Hi, my name is SIVANESWARAN, anak lelaki MANOKARAN from Bmmp 1/2. Today I want to present the customer need. Okay, let we go. Important of the customer need. Okay, a need statement should determine the focus an organization will take by addressing the particular needs of specific target audience through a very distinct project. Okay, what we got from we do the customer needs. Okay, identify the source of this certification or problem. Gather the customer suggestion on improvement. Increase team awareness of customer expectation. Provide input for performance measurement and employee evaluation. Increase customer awareness, the enterprise and its service product. Okay, next we go. What is a survey form? Okay, let me explain. A survey is a form with questions specifically designed to gather information about people experience, preference, wants, and needs. A survey form helps to analyze response with automatic summarize with Google Sheet or other software. We do the Google Sheet and we provide the link in the down here. Okay, from the survey form with our design, the customer was suggest our product is very good and was very suitable and very light. Like the design was very attractive and very useful design for us to product the design. This comment and all the comment we got was make more comfortable to proceed our design. Okay, in the conclusion of we do the survey form, it can be concluded that there is about 61.5% of customers satisfied with our product and innovation. Most of customers also love our design. When it comes to the size and weight of product, there is about 80% of customers will agree with us. So we was very sacrificed with our new design here.
Hi, my name is Muhammad HAKIMI bin ABDUL. Now I will present about product selection. The material that we use is rubber hard silicone. The reason that we use the hard silicone is because it has a stronger grip. It also waterproof and shockproof.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nurain FIRZANA. Today I will be present about the House of Quality. House of Quality is a tool used to see the correlations between the consumer's need and product specifications. House of Quality diagrams use a design that resembles the outline of a house and can be created using technical and competitive benchmarking data. Again, to develop a new product, the most important step is to identify the customer needs. So, identifications of consumer needs is essential in building the product specification as shown in table below, which is the size, the round size product which could fit on the palm of your hand. The diameter is 8 cm, then the height is 3.5 cm. For the lightweight, is easy to be carried and store whenever and whenever. The limit of the product weight is 30 gram. And for the durable, use materials such as SEBS, plastic, silicone, and polyester, which is can handle pressure up to 5 kilogram. For the color, we have a six bold color, which is purple, red, turquoise, yellow, black, and white. The product also the customer needs focus in for the safe with each withstand any water contact and temperature change to the casing. So the product will be waterproof and shockproof outer casing. Uh, other, other than that, which is a less complexity. The compact design which could be opened with a smooth zip around the casing, a built-in silicone which can be used on the spot. No assembly required. User friendly can be easily accessed once the casing is unzipped, which is to avoid any tangled wire. Aesthetic, a simple yet convenient design which has a comfortable texture that is nice to touch and hold, a petal-like silicone design with an outer comfortable material. Our result of the house of quality. So from this, the customer needs is durability, storable, user-friendly, stylish, waterproof, lightweight, environment, mm, carryable, texture, and secure. So, from the technical requirement is the size, the width, the material, aesthetic, design, and safety.
Okay, let's continue my part. I want to explain the target cost. Okay, the target cost was very important for a company. Okay, so let we start from product costing and selling price. A product costing was can be simplified defined as a total amount of cost assigned to a particular product based on a specific purpose of the management of the organization. Okay, we have three parts I was separate here. Product costing, each product selling price, and total profit. Okay, let's I explain the product costing. Total product costing was 14,250 ringgit. Okay, each product selling price is just 20 ringgit. The total profit we got is 28.75%. Okay, why the costing and product profit calculating is very important. Okay, the selling price of a product or service is the seller final price. Okay, it was prefer how much the customer pay for something. Okay, the exchange can be for a product or service in a certain quantity, weight, or measure. It is one of the most important factor for a company to determine the profit. It is important because it can define the success of its survival. A product price has a direct effect on its sale. Okay, then I want to explain very detailedly the calculation. Okay, how to calculate the good profit selling price. Okay, the markup is equal to selling price minus cost divide by selling price and calculate multiple with 100. Okay, selling price per 1,000 unit is 20,000. Product costing is 14,250, and we got from this profit is to 28.75%. Each product selling price we was 20 ringgit. Okay, from this we have mentioned the profit, how to calculate that to 20,000 negative the 40,250 and divide by 20,000 and multiply 100,000, got 28.75%. Okay, from the 28.75%, we get the total profit cash. Okay, we calculate 28.75%, divide by 100 and multiply by 20,000, we got 5,750 ringgit net profit.
Continue about the design phase. For the first phase, we will having concept selection. Each of our member need to construct conceptual sketches based on the type of customer need, and then the sketches will be gathered for concept selection. Concept selection is a process of evaluating concept with respect to customer need and the other criteria, comparing the relative strength and weakness of the concept and selecting one or more concept for further investigation testing. For the concept selection, we will use the PERF chart. PERF method are very effective method for comparing concepts that are not refined enough for direct comparison with the engineering requirement. The table below show the mark of each sketches that our member have been drawn. These also the sketches that our team made. The diagram below is the exploded view of our product that have been selected. The selected product is concept C. The diagram below shows the final product when it is being combined and has been closed. Based on the diagram, it shows that the case are very sealed for waterproof and shockproof. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we will be glad to answer them as detailed as we can.